So hi guys, we're back.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, advance Happy New Year. So we're talking about New Year's tradition here in the Philippines.
Don't go shopping. Apparently, that's
Yeah,
it. Now you can
like
finish the video.
yeah. Apparently here Christmas here, all the shopping malls are open.
That's weird to me. That's
Yes,
so weird to me.
but closed in New Year.
That's also weird to me.
Yes. First day of the year, all the establishments are closed. You know why? Because we have
Superstition.
this kind of tradition that if we spend our money on the first day of the year, the entire year is all about spending. Yes, all your blessings will just come and go. That's our belief.
Superstition.
Yes. So, way back when I was a kid, my mom do shopping for at least 1 week supply. Good for 1 week supply. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, it's like that. And also I think
Thank God. It was quiet again before we start. Honestly, you think I'm saying this, people, but I'm not. It was quiet,
Yeah.
quiet. We turn on the record button. Bang, bang,
Yeah.
bang.
And
I don't
then
get it.
so he noticed that one because he said that not all malls or um, shops here are open during
New Year's.
New Year's.
But they were on Christmas. I was so weirded out by that
Yes.
because I mean, Christmas Day of all days. And to me, what makes it so weird to me is like the Philippines start celebrating Christmas in September.
Yes.
Music for Christmas is being played on the speakers in September, October, November, and
September 1, you
Yeah.
will hear Christmas songs.
So like
in
in my
shopping malls.
mind, oh, when Christmas comes, it's a huge day, but like it just comes
Yes.
gone, and it's like malls are open.
Yeah,
Like,
and
what?
you know what, guys? In the big cities, they have midnight sales. So the shopping mall will open, I think, until 1 or 2 o'clock because they have midnight sale. When it's reached 12 midnight, all the that, and then like
This is New
imagine
Year's.
who would thought like going shopping at midnight. Yeah.
Well, we have
Yeah,
those
but
kinds of things
still,
home
yeah,
too,
in the big cities. But I'm not sure here. But I've noticed last year Robinson opened 12 o'clock in the afternoon
Yeah.
on January 1. Yes.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Yes, yes. They started open half day, only half day. Yeah.
So I was surprised that,
But Gaisano, I guess they're close. Yeah, something like that.
I was
Yeah.
surprised about those two things. The
Mhm.
New Year's being mainly closed, and then on Christmas being open. It seemed really odd to me. We got a lot of wind, so hope you can hear us okay. But also another big common thing back home, maybe it's a worldwide thing, but like a lot of people make New Year's resolutions. You know, what they're
Yes.
gonna
Yeah, what you gotta do.
plan for their life for the new year. I've not really been a big fan of New Year's resolutions because I think people just, they kind of say things and they break their resolution.
Yes.
But I'm all for trying to have a good dream ahead of you and trying to accomplish that, but not really making this New Year's resolution.
Yes.
Like, what's your opinion on that?
Yeah, we always do that when I was when I was studying. Because our teacher require us to make a New Year's resolution.
Does it become whiter? They're all fascinated with making their skin whiter. I don't know why.
And you know what, guys? During New Year's Eve, like we jump as if like we think that when you keep jumping on the New Year's Eve, you will increase your height. Something like that. You will become
What?
more taller.
The
That's
first
why
I've
we
heard.
keep jumping when we were a kid, and then
That was my problem. I jumped too much, I guess.
yeah, jump. Yeah, because you need to jump because that's what our parents said that hey, you jump for you to become grow more taller. Yeah. Yeah.
That's interesting. Never heard that one
Mhm.
before.
Yes.
Not that I recall.
And never spend any penny during the first day of the year.
This is the thing that really got me, talking about that.
because you will become more like
broke.
yes.
I said to Mahal the other day, I said, maybe that's what happened to us. I said,
Yeah.
we're broke now. Maybe we bought some things last New Year's Day.
Yeah, I guess because we went to Robinson during the time.
But that's a superstition.
Yeah,
so
it's just superstitious.
just a joke
It
for
depends
me.
in yeah, but people always believe that. Mm-mm.
Yeah. So anyway, put in your comment below. Do you believe in making the New Year's resolutions? Do you make them New Year's resolutions?
Yeah.
What do you think in your
I
comments below?
always my New Year's resolution before when I started gaining weight is to become more sexier.
Well, they
Lose
worked.
weight.
It
Lose
worked.
weight. Yeah. Spend less.
You become
Eat
more
less.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. And sometimes our one of the New Year's resolution is um, become heartless. Don't always
What?
say yes. No,
Why would
because
you have
like
that for a New Year's resolution? Become heartless.
no, because sometimes,
That rain?
especially yes, if you're an OFW and your relatives keep messaging you to borrow money, sometimes you cannot say no. Yeah. So
Oh.
we always say be heartless to those who always borrowed money from you.
Oh, okay, now I got it.
That's one of our New Year's resolution when I am an OFW.
Yeah, that whole thing of borrowing money over here is really a
Yes,
thing that gets
it's
out of
really
hand.
common.
It's
Yep.
It's so strange as a foreigner. Like if you're not here and you're thinking about coming here, and if you connect, especially with a family. Now I'm not saying Mahal's family because it's not like that with her family, but with a lot of families that she tells me about, it's a common thing, right? A lot of people always saying, can I borrow? Can I borrow? Can I borrow? It seems
Never
so
pay
weird
back.
to me.
Yeah.
Like back home, you go to a bank, you either try to get money from a bank or, your job. That's the two places you borrow.
Yes, that's really common here. Yeah, because even this time I can still receive any message that can I borrow money, but I always emphasize in my Facebook that no borrowing money. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I don't have a job. Like, what in the world? Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, I am a jobless person, and the one who borrowed money, they are professionals.
It's really weird that they're
Yes,
asking you for
exactly.
money, so it
Yeah.
must be related
Just,
to me.
yeah, exactly.
They
Because
think I got
they
money.
said that it
Sorry,
seems
guys.
to them that he's a pot of gold.
Yeah, no.
So guys, it's raining and I don't know if you can still hear us.
Yeah, all of a
So
sudden.
I guess we need to cut this video. And see you next time. And Merry Christmas and
Yeah.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year, especially.
God bless everyone.
God bless you for your